Yes, my lovely people, welcome to J Progress Entertainment again, my peeps. And remember, you know, you don't have to ask nobody nothing, you know, nobody don't have to tell you nothing. As you can see, I'm there in the kitchen. I'm going to do some home style chicken. I'm going to cook some dumpling with some sweet potato plantain and some Irish potato. People just call it regular potato over there, right? But anyway, my peeps, right now, me just there and me go cook some food and all the reasons with my people them. And I want a lot of people catch the reasons here. Reason being, because I want to go most of it Canadian, farm workers, people who go to Canada go work and for certain things. And the reason for that is my people. Watch you know. A lot of people did it over Canada, do them thing, go up on the farm work program. But when you check it out, them want to get permanent residency, but they don't know how to go by this. The other day, I do a video and I say to them, say, alright, there's a lot of things for you doing, people. It's not just so. You see me? And every man right now, when me see, we go on this farm work program, it look like, say, everybody a pray, say, well, the only way out of this, you know, to move from temporary residence to permanent residence is to make sure, say, me married a Canadian woman and so the thing work, me people. Look how much avenues you don't have how you can work with. You hear me? I send me outline about three of them make me outline yesterday. And me come back again with another one for you people. And I want to listen to me good. Because we go deep down in a certain things, right? You have one with them call name, the Rural and Northern Immigration Program. At the moment, this is a pilot program. And it is set to end in a February 2024. As me I say, if enough of them man when they left yard and go over so when I read and I check certain things, they would have know about this. But the good thing about it is, if you put in your application and you get accepted, you can send in your things them up until August. You get to me I say, when them say it is a pilot program, for who don't know, right? Try them and try it out. And if it work, if it go good, they make this a permanent thing. This is one of the routes that I always advise, say, farm workers, try out the provincial nominee program. Look at that and look at this one, the Rural Northern Immigration Pilot Program. Right? You don't need a LMIA for that one year. And for people who don't know what LMIA mean, it just means labor market impact. Right? Assessment. That means before them any employer can give this, they have to make sure that there's a shortage in this sector and all of these things. You get what I say? So you need one of that before you can. But this program, the Rural Northern Immigration Program, the pilot program for now, it doesn't need one of that, my people. So a man can go and go research that and see if them meet the requirements, if them, because you have to try everything. And the trick about that something here, and just some of the communities them where need people for work and can't get people for work and them want them. So if you know did they check and find out and about, if me not lie, about 13 or 15 communities in Canada right now that is a part of this pilot program we need people for work and them are look over 2,000 odd people right now. Right? All the communities combined together do. Totaling over 2,000 odd people them want. You get me? So you can do no research and check out the Rural and Northern Immigration Program. Make we go deep into that something you know, my people. You know we have a man a yard, you know. Right? Him did it, nothing now go on for him. Him get a little bus, him get a little ticket. Right? Him get a ticket to go on the program. All along him did it. He must struggle. And him get the bus now. But instead of him go make use of it, him go do madness. Is either him go run off or first thing him think him run go say I'm married for him girl. In my video somebody said to me say, most of them women I want to see, where you look a man to marry, I reject them. And them company farm come look smarty. Me don't know how that going on, but me just a pray. Me don't know that, but when you think about it, you have to wonder for true. And you want to enough man now, to the amount of people we get used and abused. In a situation where they're married to a Jamaican man or whatever the case may be, and then it turns out that them a fraud. So a lot of women depend them yard right now, me youth. So hear me now. I know say getting married or whatever couldn't work, you know, but when you have good intention, the woman now believe you. Remember J Progress tell you that. When you have good intention, the woman now believe you right now. Because when you say that, and you go say you come from Jamaica or whatever, first thing the woman will say, a paperwork you want. When you know that is about, you know. When you like her, you really want to build a family and build a life with her, she about things say that you about, because it happens so many times in Canada. And this is why the woman them start planning for you. No, you don't know that. And some of who know run down, when did they available? I get them can't get nobody, you know. Them can't get nobody. So them have to venture out of where them come from or go somewhere different, go look a man. I deal with a man when I know nothing about them. And I saw some of them end up with them. And some of them planning a kind of way how them know say them are going to hold on paperwork and now make you get it. And them are get everything what them can get out of you. And this is the problem make from what year? So much farm workers are getting a problem. Brother, they need enough programming, brother, in a certain parts of Canada. But if you can't speak French, you know, and you practice your French and can speak it to a certain extent, you know, believe me, so you can get in, you know. And these are all pathways to get permanent residence. You hear me I say? But people are say most of the man them on the farm work is not the brightest spark. In a reality, I know that because enough time of farm work going on. A man we did there work a banana walk, orange walk, a cut people yard and do certain thing, and an MP in the area give him a farm work ticket. Him get a farm work ticket, him go in medical, him do him thing, him gone on the farm. Probably obviously not so click. But if you go to a place and you know say, alright then you know watch I know, I want to set me thing away, you know. You have phone. Everybody have phone nowadays. Just type something in a Google and it will come up. Right? There is so many things we Canada try right now, but we just not know. Because I just one thing some man have in them head. Find a girl, married, get the paperwork. And while you know I say that, the woman them over there plan and a wait for you. Each time a new bunch of farm worker drop off, the woman them a wait for you to run come. So they can do what they want to do and take what they can get and put in their life in a mess. Because it happened to them over and over and over. So some women, as me say to you, them already are prepared for them thing. And like them not go there with them and marry them. But remember, when them do that, them are hold you right down. And them are take everything what them can get from you. Because them know say most of the Jamaican man them already make it bad. Married some of the women, them all then get them gone. So certain women dip on them guard already. I don't know if you know that. I mean, one man did this, I just saw it go. I know one time this is a man, one time, you know. A man would have probably can't do that, you know. But no. You have to know what you have to do. And I know when you Canada alone, any country you go right now, there will come a time when you go have woman and not married no man from Jamaica, the Caribbean, Africa, or nothing, because them get not too much time. A lot of people go to set it bad for them. So you as a little youth now, boom, you're there yard and nothing now go on for you. Right? You see, you go on a hotel program or a farm work program, I Canada go work on a farm. You see me? Alright. You go on the farm now. And when you go on the farm, first thing I go at me, you know, sometime with some man, you know. And then family, I go tell them to run off, you know. I always them family sometime. And the same family will tell you to run off. That the family now but they support you. Him only can tell you to run off, but when you run off, you're on your own. And at this be enough man. And when you run off, no one dep on your own. When you reach out to the family member, they feel help. Sometimes them all block you from them phone. You know, no contact to them again. And even if them take you in for a short time, the way of them pressure you financially, you can't stay amongst them and the way of them treat you as well. Because number one, them know you not no paperwork. Number one, you can't give them no talk. Anything with them ask you for towards the rent and the bills and everything, you have to give them as long as you have a little work and go on. Because if you say no, you're gone on the street. And rest of you drop a Canada in a Canada ever cold. You drop a America in a cold time, you in a problem same way. So some man need to know what them are do. One time this thing could have worked, you know. And it used to work a lot. Where a man don't really have nothing to do with the woman and Ray and him jump and married and thing and everything work out nice, brother. The woman them wise up right now, brother. Sometimes if you don't rate the woman, never bother try. Because you probably going to get yourself in a bigger problem. You hear me I say? Remember this, you know. That's when we give someone that story already. The last man who married a woman and got foreign. And when it come on to him paperwork time, and the woman seems start act up and bag a thing. You know what the woman do? The woman pick trouble with him. Pick trouble with him. Until him end up like a woman. You know where him end up? Prison. And end up back in him yard. And then that the country there, you know what happened? Him can't go back there because they went dip him. So sometimes we just want to know now because a woman we see him done kind of like the paperwork almost come through already. And if you do something to go jeopardize that, you know, you get knocked, you know. If you never did have an interview or a certain thing to confirm the final stage, you get knocked. And all a woman have to do is just provoke you and make you get yourself in a trouble. And it happened to enough, man. You see me? But particularly from 1 year, a couple months ago, Canada has been the main one under the radar. Where the man them a get abused. Where the man them, the woman them a use them. The woman them a tie them up in a twist and tie them and turn them in a one if a bagaboo, one if a idiot. You hear me I say, oh, no think this a happen. The woman them a plan for you know. So the route there is not the first route for you go jump down. While here the thing work, brother. Here the thing work. Boom you there yard and a work. And do your little thing, right? And your MP come around and you get your farm work card. When you get your farm work card, brother, if you go to Canada, you go do some good work, you know, nothing no wrong. Your first time around, you can't go back down to your yard. Just go back down to your yard, so you go see what go on, you go to your yard, go plan again. You get about 3 or 4 months and not going to work. And not there Canada. So you just plan a yard and see where you go back. But when you go back the second time now, brother, you're supposed to do some research and check certain things to see what is possible for you. For you drop in the country, my lad, you start finalize your research and start reach out to the relevant places them we have to reach out to and start apply to the programs them with them have available. Because one thing for sure, you know, Canada always have a pilot program for immigrant workers, always. And you see worse if you have a skill or you have a tertiary education or anything like that, or you up on a professional level, right? And you end up on the farm work program because no work, no there are nothing. Because all kind of people end up on the farm work program, right? And not just man alone that work a farm or anything like that, or we do farming and them things. All kind of people end up on it. So, number one, if when you're there Canada, you can find a way to even jump on a little course or anything like that, which is going to be very hard, but you can do things online. It all comes with dedication and you have to work hard for what you want. You get to me I say? Farm work hard, you know, it's very hard to fit in anything after you on a farm still, you know. But if a man can make the move and go say, I'm going to marry the woman and make the woman treat him certain way. And all of the woman them stay so still, you know. But all of the women them afraid. The whole of them afraid, you know. Because I want all of sometimes they never got to be experienced, but them hear about it. So even when a woman really like you and want to try with you, she not going to do it. Because she going to say she don't know if you are going to do the same thing. And the woman them going to say, the man them so good at pretending, so guess what? When you have be the nicest person to be real, the woman will say you pretend, you pretend. And you not pretend. All because of the man them before you go do. And at this moment, if you know, if that is the only option, you know, because, watch you now. Me now go come say it can't work. Me now go come say that. Say you getting married and doing re. It can't work. It can work. But you have to look if you find a real woman. I'm telling you already, enough women over Canada, they go through them stress. You know them bills and everything. But them just a wait for a man when them can twist and turn we don't know the system. That means say everything you have to run to them feet. You hear me I say? Because rule number one, you have enough women that come from a certain country where no man no want them. Some of them women and none of the man in the country no want them. You hear me I say? And because of who they are or how them are. Sometimes them glad to marry the two and take you up to go show you off like some little trophy boy or something. You hear me I say? But them now put you nowhere, them now progress you to nowhere. You hear me I say? And them treat you like garbage. As you know say, how many Canadian farm worker from Jamaica they are Canada right now, I got you right now. Some of them go over, they go mash up them life. Some of them will have good life at Jamaica, you know. Not for the man them left all them baby mother and them pick me at Jamaica from a good home where they did there. But them say they want a little opportunity. Right? If you go in a country, even as a farm worker, and you do your research and you see what go on, you don't know so you can go back to Jamaica and a couple of months when you're there at Jamaica. You go one night quick school, them go do a little art, something and get a little skill quick and fast. Anything, construction, plumbing, any little thing, quick and fast. Or you skip one year and go back to Canada and do your course and then you jump on back on it and gone again. Because remember, when you go on the program already, you know, when you did get a card already and go on the program, you're liable to get accepted again. And you never going to go do nothing, your MP willing to give you back another card again. But some man now take the time out. If you have a skill, you're better off in Canada. Once you reach in Canada for the farm work program, as 2 months run off, you start look for all of the program them and make your application them. Do your research on your phone and all of them something then it can work. But guess what? Every man look an easy way out, sir. And the easy way that used to work. Me not say nothing wrong with it, no. It used to work. But enough woman, all when you love them and cherish them and you're dead serious about the relationship. In a them mind, them say a smarty you look for use and a paperwork you look. Because of where the whole of the man them do already. I'm telling you already, I'm not just Canada, everywhere. Right now. Everywhere, every woman I look for the thing that type of way there. Every woman I look for the thing that type of way there, brother. I mean, I tell you, we say, you run down better. And the worst thing you could ever put on yourself in. Look on the youth when me a listen to things for even mix up bass thing. The amount of thing with that the youth they got through. I mean, hear so much other horror stories when man got through, brother. All over the globe, see them same move here. And every time they move they work, and this me I try to tell the youth them, me nah say it can't work, you know. When you quote me properly, me nah say it can't work. But there are other pathways where you don't have to go through none of them things there. If you don't do no research, I want to check. Yesterday me come talk about the express entry program. Right? Me come talk about the provincial nominee program. Right? And me come talk about the Canadian experience class program. You understand what I say? And now, me mention to know about the rural and northern immigration program, which is just a pilot program at the moment. And this one I feel like at the Backabush community them in Canada where them can't get workers to them. Them not have enough workers to fill certain sectors. Right? So far, the program roll out and the program are going good. You get me I say? The program are going good right now. Anybody who not get you have the opportunity to put in your application up to the end of February when them are partially close the program. Partially. Because the program will close fully in August. But as me say, it's a pilot program, and if it work out alright and it really meet the needs of them community here, I'm going to tell you say them community here, about 15 of them are whole heap. Imagine one community like Alberta and all of them little place there and some and a little place. And because a man saying we there Toronto or work and wherever. Brother, Toronto not the only place in Canada. You hear me I say? But if a man want to run down a big city, you can there somewhere else, brother. Remember the aim is to get your permanent residency, you know. So you don't need to be in a busy place, how many people there, how much Jamaican, how much Caribbean, how much this, how much that. No. Go where you think can work. As long as you're in Canada and you have your permanent residency, then after that you can't do anything else, brother. But some man not think long term. Every man look for the shortcut. When me young and come, then tell you, long road, all it bring a sweat. Shortcut bring blood. You hear me I say? So that's why you see enough man go through certain thing right now. The little man never get through with them thing how much years ago and keep on getting through. It thing up a wire down because the woman them smart up themselves and realize that enough of them man who come from wherever from the farmer. Them only look woman for married to give them paperwork and then cut and gone. So instead of uno go use them, the woman them already a plan for uno come in by the numbers and then them use uno and get rid of uno. And enough man now see that. Nobody man them can't see what I want. Man, uno wise up here man. And I want to read. Even if you not read, you spend $500. You spend $500 or even $200 and book an appointment with an immigration lawyer. Watch the style you know you. Alright, you not read. You don't know what go on in Canada. But you interested in getting a permanent resident permit. Enough of the man them me can bet you say them never take a money out of them paycheck yet. And say me go book an appointment with an immigration lawyer. Go into an immigration lawyer for your appointment and just you never do nothing, just to find out what are the pathways that are available to you as a Jamaican farm worker who have the intention to live and work in a Canada or even just to extend your visa, your permit. You get what me I say? It not take nothing off of you if you don't have the time to read. Pay your money. Book your appointment. Have a consultation with one of them lawyers there. And go to your appointment and then ask the question where you need to ask. Anything where you need to find out. And then we help you to find it out. If not did for you, so it go. But it don't mean you can't try. And they will also advise you to some of them we make you know, say, listen, when you go back down, try get qualified in this area because there is a program that is coming up which is recruiting X and Y workers. You wouldn't know that if you never go to an immigration lawyer because enough man now read and research, so your best option that right now. At the humble way we can say people. At the humble way we can say it. Me can't say it no other way. I want it with me, you know. Me done some foo-foo but me like read. Yeah man, me like read man. And worst thing again, you know why me like read? Anyway me them want to know what I want. Certain things are supposed to happen man, me run up and down and ask money everything. Not when they have internet. Not when they have YouTube and all them kind of something there. Yeah? Some man would even put on them phone and subscribe to my channel so I can go watch the YouTube where I chat about. Me I chat about Canada and farm work. Them a look on YouTube, them a watch girl wind up and I listen all kind of sitting and now watch nothing sensible. But you see them on a farm, them say they work hard, them are living at the poor condition, the boss a treat them like shit, them now make no money, but yet still, when you don't get the little time and the little break and a browse, you don't now browse nothing sensible to find out if you can get to yourself out of the situation. You don't now do it. But instead, a man when he's reaching a problem, we quick to call a man and ask for advice. Whereas if you're in the bar, a little channel like J Progress channel, you would have learned two little sitting. You would have at least even have your money and go see the immigration lawyer and make him tell you what you need to know. Yeah man. You don't educate yourself in a country where you go you. You don't take them things for granted. Reach out, spend the money. Make the runner, make running off be your last option. Enough man run off and them straight out and them good still. Puss and dog now be same luck. Make marrying a woman be the second to last one. Try find out the rest of avenues them first and the pathways which you can go through without none of them the hassle there. And as me say to you, you have to do no research. And you need to read. And if you don't want none of them things, they will take no money, book no appointment, and go and sit down with one of them liars there and then we tell you what you need to know. You hear me I say? Or if not, When you don't have no time and a browse, you go up on the YouTube and go up on the right channel them with the right information them. The most updated information them for you. You know? What's so hard in that? Me know say every man go up on YouTube go watch party, go watch man a vlog about mix up and all of them things there, but things were good for you know and things you not try strive to go towards. You know not looking at them area there. You know not looking at them area there, you know? Yeah man. But I can only say and talk my mind from my platform. Make the one them who willing to listen. Make the one them who willing to watch. Make if somebody share this to them look on it. But until then, me just want to say to you, don't be a lamb to the slaughter. Don't run in the same spot where a man running already. There are other ways to deal with this. Them tell us that there is many ways to skin a cat. Find the other way, because out the field no find. Believe when J Progress telling you that. One J Progress Entertainment, me people. And a right just so we go cut it, because here what? We don't have to ask nobody nothing, you know, and nobody have to tell you nothing. Because we don't know how J Progress go to work already. And people me a beg you know. We don't go and go get no badge no man. We don't go and get no VIP badge them no, because remember say once you no buy the badge you know, a VIP automatically, you know. You see me I say? Go and go get no badge them. Right? And remember 15k the thing I go for March, you know. And we know we can do it. With the love and the support that we get, without a doubt we know we can do it. Believe, one J Progress Entertainment and there can be no other. Believe when me tell you that.